she bring flowers to the wooden white cross that stood by the road where son met his loss. There's a hole in her heart since the day been gone, and the only one thing that keeps her going on
is the hope one day she'll see him again, when the clouds will break and the tombs will open, and the dead in Christ they shall arise. Is this hope that she carries with her every day?
Mary stood at the foot of an old rugged cross and watched her son die for the wrongs he did not cause. Since she did so sorrow for the child she had born, but a distant blue joy on that blessed Sunday morn.
When the door of the tomb was thrown away, gone was Mary's gloom. When Jesus rose from the grave, and because he lived,